Worried about the inherent volatility of digital assets and the unclear regulatory landscape, Vanguard has adopted a cautious approach prior to the introduction of its Bitcoin investing products. Vanguard stated unequivocally that it had no interest in offering these services since it believed digital assets were a poor choice for an investment vehicle. Bill Morgan, aka the XRP lawyer, has ventured to forecast that Vanguard will be seeing staff changes over the next 6 months. The XRP attorney anticipated that ARD's decision would lead to a significant change in the company's leadership. This suggests that the decision-maker may not be with Vanguard for very long. An XRP lawyer responded to Tim Buckley, the CEO of Vanguard, saying he will be leaving soon. Buckley's resignation coincided with a decision made by Vanguard regarding exchange-traded Bitcoin funds, raising concerns about potential internal conflict inside the organization. This would affect the business's approach to investing in Bitcoin. This is particularly noteworthy given the XRP attorney's previous forecast. The representative for XRP was astounded by how quickly things got out of hand when he learned of Tim Buckley's early resignation. He admitted that the rate of change at Vanguard may have been underestimated in his previous prognosis. These two statements were made in response to recent occurrences. There is an extreme degree of unpredictability in the organization, as evidenced by the XRP lawyer's candid admission that he should have anticipated Buckley to resign within the following 6 weeks in order to obtain more information. Go through this article in its entirety. After Tim Buckley abruptly left the firm, a revolutionary token worth $0 in wine attracted wealthy patrons to Salon Assel, raising doubts about Vanguard's potential future trajectory in the cryptocurrency market. The future of the digital asset management company has been the subject of intense speculation in the Bitcoin market. Analysts and investors are closely examining how Buckley's resignation would impact Vanguard's position on cryptocurrency investments and the company's broader strategic direction in the quickly changing financial sector in light of the recent events. The XRP lawyer's assessment of Vanguard's impending personnel adjustments is beginning to draw greater notice. Though previously believed to be an ambitious forecast, Tim Buckley's sudden resignation from Vanguard has forced XRP lawyers to reevaluate their opinions of the inner workings of the firm. As a result, concerns have been expressed concerning the underlying reasons behind these organizational changes. Ethereum and Bitcoin both saw their values increase significantly in the month of February, reminding us of the phenomenal increases that both cryptocurrencies saw in 2020 and 2022, respectively. The SEC saw a little increase from its initial $64,000. Experts contend that the recent increase is the result of supply and demand fluctuations, which have gotten worse as a result of the almost $2 billion inflow into Bitcoin exchanges that deal in exchange-traded funds ETFs and the expectation of a significant event in the first half of April. Amidst the excitement in the market right now, there are important dates in Ripple's XRP legal dispute with the SEC. How this dispute is resolved could have an impact on other digital assets. Regardless of how the lawsuit turns out, investors are watching the court's decision on the SEC's request to move the class action case's trial date to April 15, 2024. The timing of this event couldn't be more ideal. As interest in Ripple's XRP court battles grows, the already intriguing market is becoming even more volatile as XRP swiftly approaches its 2024 peak. The cryptocurrency community is watching Scapes Mania with great excitement as the market soars. There's a lot of anticipation for the token generation event and the anticipated DEX listing, even if the pre-sale has already concluded. The concept has been discussed in the Bitcoin industry since before Scapes Mania's historic public auction ended. It raised almost $6,195,000, and the token's value is probably going to rise significantly in the future. But now everyone's focus is on PancakeSwap's upcoming listing. In case you missed it, the CEO revealed the date at a recent Ask Me Anything session. Because of the greater than normal market circumstances and the reduced token supply, you are running out of time to maximize your potential gains. It would be a tremendous shame to miss this opportunity to participate, as there won't be another to increase returns after listing. The Scapes Mania team has developed a successful post-list marketing strategy that incorporates buybacks, burns, staking, and all the other benefits that holders receive thanks to their in-depth industry knowledge. It is possible to keep the community vibrant and draw in new members under the DAO's leadership, all the while giving supporters a voice in the direction of a burgeoning business and the chance to make money off of it. In addition, the token is quite practical. This meme currency stands out because it takes advantage of the market's growing potential rather than depending too much on fads and hype to acquire popularity. Mania Bucks on Scapes Mania is a carefully thought-out and well-balanced gaming area. The billion-dollar casual gaming industry, in which the cryptocurrency operates, will benefit from increased liquidity and easier trade following its launch. A well-organized token management system increases the likelihood of long-term growth, and the community's 60,000 followers attest to its strong devotion to the concept. According to Scap, the platform might become extensively used sooner than anticipated due to the growing demand from Bitcoin titans who have deposits over $20,000. Investors can be confident in the security of the Scapes smart contract because several reputable security companies have confirmed it. In addition, the SEC listing is still being worked on, and the Pancake Swap listing is soon to happen. Another well-known characteristic of Scapes Mania is its excellent cliff vesting scheme, which attempts to prevent token dumping and maintain a stable supply and demand balance for future expansion. Taking advantage of any chance to outmaneuver rivals is advised because the Securities and Exchange Commission is still looking at how the 2023 verdict will affect XRP programmatic sales. It's a watershed moment in the history of cryptocurrency regulation, and you need to act swiftly if you want to be the first candidate for any post-listing possibilities, especially those that might be highly profitable in the ongoing legal conflict between Ripple and the SEC over XRP. The deadline for submitting documents pertinent to potential remedies is March 13th, however. It may be extended until March 22nd. This discovery was made during testing shortly after Vanguard issued its decision about exchange-traded funds that use Bitcoin. What this means for the company's approach to Bitcoin investments is unknown. The XRP attorney said he could have misjudged how quickly things were changing at Vanguard in his previous prediction and expressed astonishment at Tim Buckley's early resignation. These two proclamations came after news reports. The XRP lawyer's upfront and honest admission that he should have expected Buckley to leave within the following week indicates that the corporation is obviously unsure. A number of prominent figures within the XRP community have stated that the XRP tokens that Ripple is keeping in escrow are essential to the process of turning the asset into a global reserve currency. Verson Alger, the man behind Black Swan Capitalist, and Edward Fanina, who manages XRP Healthcare's global adoption, are the people with whom Farina and Alger talked about the possible application of XRP as a worldwide reserve currency in a recent live session. Because of an essay that Crypto Basic wrote, this conversation has received more attention. The CEO of a German venture capital business was quoted in the research as saying that XRP had the potential to become a global reserve currency since it could be used to facilitate cross-border payments. While this was going on, Fanina and Alger raised a new topic of conversation: the possibility of using XRP tokens kept in escrow as a reserve currency.